Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Tina Massey, who I entered her 2000 subby challenge giveaway. And I pre-opened the envelope. I like this here. And if I can remember, all that here I'm going to use. Okay. So, she sent me a little thank you note. And one of her ATC cards that she made on a live video. I'm not going to flip it over because it has her information on the back. And it says, there is no mistakes, only happy little accidents. And it's a picture of Bob Ross, which is a cute little card. I'm going to save that. I'm going to put it back in here. So, when I decide what I'm going to do with it, it may go in my Friends Across the Miles video. I'm gonna may make a page layout for it, but in the meantime, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big girl subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, please be kind, be loving, be crafty, stay crafty, be safe, stay safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.